Good morning, students. Welcome to my online class. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Ritu Saxena. Today we are going to study our chapter from biology, the fundamental unit of life. As you all know that the fundamental unit of life is a cell. So in this session, I am covering up the contents that are introduction of cell, history of cell, structure of cell, unicellular cells, multicellular cells, prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells, and the last is structure of plant cell and animal cell. So, let's begin our session. What are living organisms made up of? So, as you can see, I have written definition of cell. All living things are composed of cells. It is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Or we can say, cell is a microscopic structure of which every living organism is made up of. As you all know, when we build a building, we have to start with a brick. In the same way, a living organism's body is also built by a cell, so it is the basic unit of life. Here I have made one picture. As you all can see, it is a picture of a building. A building is made up of bricks. So a brick is the basic unit of a building or house. History of the discovery of cell. Cells were first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed the cells in a cork slice with the help of a primitive microscope. Now, what is microscope? You all know. Microscope is a instrument which is used to see very minute things which we cannot see by a naked eye. Okay. The corks resembled the structure of honeycomb, consisting of many little compartments or boxes. You all know what is honeycomb. He named it cell, which is a Latin word. Latin is a language. The meaning for he named it cell, which is a Latin word. Latin is a language which is used by Englishmen. So the meaning for cell is a little room. तो आपने जैसे पढ़ा कि सेल क्या है? सेल तो एक यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ है. हमारी बॉडी सेल से बनी है. सेल किसने डिस्कवर किया? ये आपने पढ़ा रॉबर्ट हुक ने 1665 में. और कैसे डिस्कवर किया? उन्होंने एक कॉर्क स्लाइस, कॉर्क एक वुड होती है जिसको उन्होंने देखा, तो उसमें देखा उन्होंने माइक्रोस्कोप में कि वो एक मधुमक्खी के छत्ते के समान उसमें छोटे छोटे रूम्स दिख रहे थे. honeycomb looks like this picture. As you can see, I am showing you the picture of a honeycomb. So the cells look like the same. तो सेल ऐसे ही दिखे उनको माइक्रोस्कोप में. और माइक्रोस्कोप में ये जब सेल्स देखे तो आप देख सकते हो ये थोड़े से ऐसे छोटे छोटे रूम्स जैसे दिख रहे हैं. आपको दिख रहे हैं? तो ये ही है सेल जैसा स्ट्रक्चर. ओके. In 1674, with improved microscope, the free living cells are discovered in pond water for the first time by Leeuwenhoek. Now, scientist Mr. Leeuwenhoek discovered the free living cells in 1674, and in 1831, Robert Brown discovered nucleus in the cell. Now you will ask, what is madam nucleus? So we will discuss nucleus in our next session. And in 1839, Purkinje named the term protoplasm for the fluid of the cell. Now you will ask, madam, what is protoplasm? Protoplasm is the living content present in the cell. तो आपने जिन साइंटिस्ट के नाम मैंने लिए वो कौन कौन से थे? ल्यूवेनहॉक जिन्होंने फ्री लिविंग सेल्स डिस्कवर किए, रॉबर्ट ब्राउन जिन्होंने न्यूक्लियस डिस्कवर किया, और परकिंजे जिन्होंने प्रोटोप्लाज्म को डिस्कवर किया। In 1839, Schleiden and Schwann, they are two scientists, gave cell theory, which was further expanded by Virchow in 1855 by suggesting that all the cells arise from pre-existing cells. What does it mean? It means that cells जो हैं वो हमेशा अपने से पहले वाले सेल से ही बनते हैं, फॉर्म होते हैं, और इसको सेल थ्योरी में बताया गया है that we will discuss in our next session. And now I want to show a compound microscope. This is the picture of a compound microscope. As you can see in this video, microscope are of three types: simple microscope, compound microscope, and electron microscope. It was discovered in 1940. You can see simple microscope, compound microscope, and electron microscope. So, to end this session, I want to sum up with the definition of a cell. What is the definition of cell? So, the definition of cell is all living things are composed of cells. It is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Cell is a microscopic structure of which every living organism is made up of. Thank you, students. Bye.